Happy Thursday. In case you're wondering how the snow is in Mammoth, if you're a skier, you're probably looking it up all the time. It is February 13th, and that's a car. Everything's pretty much buried except for everybody that dug their cars out. So the plow already came through the parking lot, and there's already probably about 5 inches since he came through. So anyways, I figured I'd give you an update and hope you guys are having a good Thursday.